All right. So December 4th, market recap and trade recap as well in the trade I took today. So coming into today, last night I had this draw, and then coming in this morning I had this draw, and this draw is clear. There was a lot of relative equal highs, which market opened and hit. This would have been a really good setup, actually, in my opinion. This wick theory setup, could have taken that. Stop. Like 10, 12 points. And you could have taken that right there. That would have been a really nice setup, in my opinion. But unfortunately, I was not on the charts, because you see this reaction, and then you just take this and then take to the highs. I don't know. I thought that was a really solid trade that you could have taken. And then we get displacement down. Market opens and absolutely shits the bed. Downward, we hit max expansion here. And then I was like, okay, so we've capped. This black line, by the way, is the daily, the previous day's CE of its rejection block, because it closed bullish. So I saw that we respected it on the 5-minute and closed bullish, and then we gave SMT as well. So I was like, okay, we respected it and closed bullish, and then I waited patiently for this candle, right, which we tapped to the rejection block and then closed bullish. This is showing that the lower time frame is wanting to flip now. So then after this, I just entered on the lower time frame on a pullback. I saw this candle enter in here. I logged on my account now, but this is where I entered, and then that's where I got out. Sorry. So super good trade. 7R to start on the Fondard account. So then, yeah, I took that and then got out, and then I low-key got out at like the best time, because then we flipped and came lower. But yeah, and then once he inversed this 5, I was like, okay, yeah, my draw, which was these relative equal highs, should get hit, which they did. So yeah, it's a super good trade, in my opinion, and I'm super happy with how everything played out. But yeah, I'm just super pumped with how I've been trading. I actually was going to take a long off of this CE, but I told myself to be patient, not limit it, and wait for a good candle close. Didn't get a good candle close, and then we continued to dump lower. So thank goodness I didn't do that. And I don't know, I'm just hyped because I literally avoided a loss. And then took a super good win. So I'm just super hyped. I'm super excited. And just every day I'm just like gaining confidence in my ability and getting better and trying to get better every single day. And it's just great. So those are really the only two setups that I saw personally. I didn't really see any short setups. But yeah, that was the trade idea. That was the recap. Just accumulated all night. It was pretty clear, like a pretty clear like A, right, and then M, D, and then reversal slash accumulate, you know. So, yeah. So it's Friday. We'll see what tomorrow brings. I don't know if I'm going to trade tomorrow. I'm going to be in the car during my ideal trading time. So, and you know, it'd be nice to end the week on a win. So I'll be very strict on myself tomorrow and only take like an A+ setup. So, yeah, that was today. Super clean, super solid. Yeah, as you can see, standard deviation here, capped, and then we went lower, so it was all good.